Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make ragu with pig's feet the Haitian way. So you can purchase this at Publix or any grocery stores, and this liquid here is vinegar, so I let it sit in the vinegar and salt and lime juice for about 15 minutes. And now I'm gonna wash it. I'm gonna take out the acidity from the vinegar. So I'm rinsing it. This is a great dish, so you can eat this with plantain, yam, and it gives you energy. So I would recommend you guys to follow through and make this yourself. Alright, so then now I'm gonna pour some boiling water. It's very hot, and what it does, it kills any bacteria, because pork tends to carry a lot of bacteria, so the boiling water will help. Alright, and so you can just leave it for about 5 minutes in the boiling water. And now those are the ingredients that I'm gonna be adding. I have tomatoes, green bell pepper, scallions in there, and garlic. You need this, Maggi, just a little bit, and cloves, and chopped chives. You need oil, you need sour orange, distilled vinegar from the beginning, that's what we used. And I have some fresh parsley and thyme. I also like to add some nutmeg. Believe it or not, it's pretty good. It gives it an extra flavor. And another thing I like to add, but you don't have to, is allspice. It's just like when I get lazy and I don't have all the ingredients I need, so I just add those stuff. And you will need cayenne pepper and some, if you have scotch pepper, scotch pepper, so that'll be pretty good too. And that's about it for now. Oh, yeah, I already said salt and pepper. Okay, so now we can pour out the hot water and start adding the seasoning. And it also helps to melt the fat. I don't know if you can notice, if you can see the fat on top of the water. So it's good, like when you do this, when you pour boiling water, they call this chaud viano. It helps to kill bacteria and also remove some of the excess fat on the meat. So alright, so I'm gonna pour this, actually I'm gonna put it in this. Ooh, this is hot. Alright, let me use this fork. And if there's any other ingredients I need that I'm forgetting right now, I'll let you guys know on the next step. But I think so far, I have everything right. And juicy. This is gonna be so good. Oops. Okay. So a lot of you likes to drink Red Bull. You know, if you eat this, you'll have a lot of energy. And ladies, you gotta cook this for your husband, for your man, you know. Alright. Oops. Okay. This takes a long time to cook because you want it to be well cooked, like falling off the bone. And that's when you know it's cooked. So it will take about an hour. If you have a how do they call that? Well, I can't remember. But anyways, if a cooker, I think that's how they call it. Anyways, so what you need to do is you need to add a pinch of baking soda. Alright, so let me pour that in there. Alright, about this much. And it will make it cook faster. That's the purpose of that. And now we're gonna add tomatoes. Oh, I almost forgot onions. You need to add onions. Alright. And so I'm adding cloves. My husband hates this, but it gives the food a nice flavor, and if it's not gonna kill you, so it's alright. Okay. And some thyme I'm adding now. Open. And this is Maggie. Alright. Okay. Salt and pepper. This is salt right here. This I can't. I'm gonna sit the camera on the fire for just a minute so I can put that in there. So this, I just added salt and pepper, and you need to add just a little bit of oil because the pork already has lots of fat, so you don't need too much grease. So about this much. Then now you're gonna add sour orange, and if you don't have sour orange, you can use lemon. Yeah, but it's, you know, sour orange is sour orange and lemon is lemon. So the sour orange is not as acidic as the lemon or lime. So now that the secret ingredient is the nutmeg. It gives it a nice flavor. Whenever you're making pork, it's good to add a little bit of nutmeg. It brings the flavor. And some cayenne pepper. And I'm gonna marinate this overnight. A little bit of allspice. And some parsley. Parsley and thyme. Alright, thanks for watching. A little bit of thyme. And you just marinate all of them together and place it in the fridge, or if you have a bag, do so. Thanks for watching. See you next time.